So, hi everyone, I am Jansi, studying in 8th grade at TSWREIS. Today, I am going to explain you about an interesting code. So, what is special today? What is special today? Yes, you are absolutely correct. So, the date is 22 and the month is 2 and the year is 2023. So, if you see this number in the reverse, in the backward direction and in the forward direction, we can see same, right? Yes. So, these types of numbers is known as palindrome. Let us take one example. 121. So, we can see same number from front and back. Let us take one string, that is madam. So, when we look at back also, we can see the same, right? So, these types of words or numbers is known as palindrome. So, palindrome is a sequence or a word or a number we can read same from the front and backward. So, today I am going to explain you the process to write this code. As we all are learning Python, right? So, today I am going to explain you the Python code to find the number is a palindrome or not. So, here I have took num equal to input enter any number. So, now here I will enter today's date, month and year. So, let us check whether it is palindrome or not. Here I have took a temporary variable to store this number because here I am checking this number, right? So, when I update this number, we can't get the correct output. So, for that we are storing a temporary variable and this palindrome is stored in this temporary variable. Then here I have to reverse equal to 0 because here I am doing some process to get this number, to check this number. So when if I kept 1 here, means 1 into 10 will get 10, but I want 0 as an output. That is why here I took reverse equal to 0 and while num greater than 0. Here